Hello guys! So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check whether your Squarespace website is truly down and help you figure out what to do next. By the end, you'll know exactly how to test your site, find out if Squarespace is having trouble, and quickly narrow down any connection issues so you can get your site back online as soon as possible. This is especially important for Shopify store owners or anyone running an online business. You want your site up and running smoothly, and today, I'm here to help you get it back online quickly. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to test your site directly. Open up your browser, any browser is fine, like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, and carefully type your full site URL into the address bar. That might look like https://yourdomain.com. If you have a custom domain, or maybe https://yourname.squarespace.com, if you're using Squarespace's default address. Hit enter and see what happens. Is your site loading, or are you seeing an error, a timeout, or just a spinning wheel? This is the first step to identify where the issue is happening. But don't stop there. For a more thorough check, try loading your site on different devices, maybe your desktop, your laptop, and most importantly, your phone. If it opens on your phone but not your computer, the problem might be with the device, not Squarespace. A lot of times, mobile devices load sites differently, so this quick check can help you isolate the issue. Another good trick is to try a different internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes local network issues or even router hiccups can block specific websites. For example, if you're working from home, your internet provider might be having a temporary issue that only affects certain sites. So by testing across different devices and networks, you're quickly narrowing down whether the problem is widespread or just something affecting you. Now, let's say your site doesn't load, or it's behaving strangely on every device and network. The next thing you should do is check the official Squarespace status page. This is a really handy tool. It's like the central nervous system for the entire Squarespace platform. Just go to status.squarespace.com in your browser. There, you'll see live updates for all major services like website and editor, commerce, domains, and DNS, and email campaigns. This is especially helpful if you're running an online store on Shopify and want to make sure everything is synced with your Squarespace site. If you spot a nice green operational dot next to everything, Squarespace itself is working fine, and the issue is likely on your end. However, if you see a yellow partial outage or a red major outage, that means something's up, and it may be affecting a large number of users, not just you. In that situation, your best move is patience. The engineers usually resolve these issues pretty quickly, so take a breath, maybe grab a coffee, and check back in an hour or two. Often, these outages are brief and getting resolved, and how much this in-depth complex can be realized. If you're a big brain, worse than one box. Alright, but what if you're sure it's just you? Here's a trick that solves tons of site looks down but isn't problems. Clear your browser cache or flush your DNS. Sometimes your browser holds on to old data, and sometimes your computer's DNS gets stuck on outdated settings. This can lead to weird issues where your site shows an old version or just refuses to load. To clear your cache in Chrome, just hit Ctrl+Shift+R on Windows or Command+Shift+R on a Mac. This forces your browser to reload everything fresh. For DNS, if you're on Windows, open a command prompt and type ipconfig.flushdns, then restart your browser. These steps can resolve those mysterious issues where your site is actually online but just won't load for you. This is a great way to quickly eliminate the possibility of browser or DNS-related issues, which are often the culprit when things aren't working. If you're using a custom domain, you'll want to take a quick look at your domain and SSL settings inside Squarespace. Log in, go to Settings, then Domains, and make sure your domain says Connected. That means Squarespace recognizes it as live and linked properly. This is important because if your domain isn't connected correctly, visitors won't be able to access your site. Scroll down to the Security section and check that the SSL certificate is listed as active. SSL is what secures the site for visitors, ensuring that they see the HTTPS and the padlock icon in their browser's address bar. If it says processing or error Don't panic. Sometimes this takes a few hours, especially after major changes like moving a domain or adding a new one. Just double-check your DNS settings with your domain registrator and give Squarespace a little time to process. It's a common issue, and Squarespace will typically have it resolved quickly. Finally, if your site is still down after all these tests, it's time to reach out to Squarespace support. Head over to support.squarespace.com and click Contact Support. You'll have the option for chat or email. Make sure to provide your site URL, a screenshot of the error if you can, and mention which browser and device you're using. The support team is great at tracking down stubborn issues and will help guide you back to a working site. Be ready to provide as much detail as possible, as this will help them troubleshoot faster. They can often spot issues that are difficult to identify on your own. And there you have it, a full diagnostic checklist for figuring out if your Squarespace site is really down. Whether you're running a personal blog, a portfolio, or an online store, these steps will help you troubleshoot quickly and get back online. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like and drop a comment if you hit any roadblocks or have questions. And if you'd like more simple, clear tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your site back online. Stay calm and troubleshoot with confidence.